Hello and welcome back. And I am back with another stream where we will do OOP concepts. OOPS concepts, and we will try to solve a DSA question as well. So in just a bit, I'll share the screen with you. And we can look into the questions, or we can look into the things together. Tell you what. Please let me know if you can see my screen. Oh, you can't let me know. No worries at all. I hope my screen is visible now. Yep. And so we have to do definitely continue doing this oops, and once we are through this through the whatever we want to do in oops today, we will jump onto the question. Okay, and we will spend the next 30 minutes on the question, and the stream starts and 1-2 minutes have already passed, so our target is to complete till okay, so access modifiers. Okay, we'll do this, and we want to do constructors, and we want to do this final keyword and this keyword. Okay, these are some very important topics in oops. This keyword is a finite keyword. Okay, then this static keyword. Yes, I guess all this can be done today. Static keyword and till here. If we do till here, then we will proceed to do some GFG based question. Or will we do this? Okay, we'll spend the time doing this question. Okay, so this is our target for the day, and I hope that we understand each and everything properly. And about the things to note in DSA, there are things that you don't want to miss when you study, especially oops. So I have a register right here, and I'll make notes because oops is a very important topic, and the target for completing everything is going to be till and before 8. Again, 8 is the point where I leave everything that I am doing. I'll close the stream at 8. So 120 minutes, 1 hour 20 minutes, that's what we have in hand. Right, and where is that? Give me a second. So we have some good targets in regards to immune today. Sorry, oops, have I actually said that out loud? No worries. So I'm parallelly preparing for a competition, and that competition needs time. This is the sheet for DBMS. One problem is that I won't be able to show what I write in my register. DBMS questions says operating system.
I'm fucked up, I'm black and blue, I'm built for all the abuse. I got secrets that nobody knows.
Class and objects is one thing, है ना? This is what you have done till now. Class and objects. Right, now we are on to access modifiers. Let's start.
I'm fucked up, I'm black and blue, I'm fucked up, I'm black and blue. I'm built for all the abuse. I got secrets that nobody knows. I'm fucked up, I'm black and blue. I'm built for all the abuse. I got secrets that nobody knows. I'm fucked up, I'm black and blue. I'm built for all the abuse. I got secrets that nobody knows. I'm fucked up, I'm black and blue. I'm built for all the abuse. I got secrets that nobody knows.
Huh? First thing, and we have done it incorrect. Which access modifier can be used to access a variable outside a class? Outside a class, outside a class, but within the package. Private can be used inside a class, inside the class only. So this is not it. This is not it. Protected is left. Which access modifier access video can be used to access a variable outside the class? Default तो होता है. Protected बचा ही protect. Oh.
I'm fucked up, I'm black and blue, I'm built for ugly abuse. I got secrets that nobody knows.
Public outside the package views हो जाता है. मुझे लगा strictly यही कहना चाह रहा है. Would you
I'm fucked up, I'm black and blue, I'm built for
That's correct.
ugly abuse. I got secrets that nobody knows.
What will be the output of the following considering both classes are in the same package?
I'm fucked up, I'm black and
same package, but this is not accessible outside the same class, so it will give an error.
I'm fucked up, I'm black and blue. I'm built for all the abuse. I got secrets that no
Same package.
I'm fucked up, I'm black and blue. I'm built for all the abuse. I got
Default.
secrets that nobody knows. I'm fucked up, I'm black and blue. I'm built for all the abuse. I got secrets that nobody knows.
Everything that he is doing is not having any static keyword. He is not using static keyword anywhere. That is for a reason. Hmm.
I'm fucked up, I'm black and blue. I'm built for all the
Man, the way in which this guy explains you the things, super easy. And the reason why I continue to learn from this course even after I got left behind, and even after I had a very long gap. I've taken a very long gap in this course. I could have bought any other famous course, Driver or Apna College or any other platform. Love Babbar had a very good course as well. There are many bhaiyas and these out there, but this guy, I especially uh, took out the time and did my thorough research. And even after its high price, I bought this course. And the reason being because I loved this guy more than anyone out there. If people may be good in other things, and this platform is, everybody knows that question, the type, the the type of question, or what we can say, it is not, the questions are not very heavy, but it will make you conceptually very fine. Okay, there is no question which is in accordance with lead code. There are no lead code level questions on coding ninjas, but you will have a very good idea of whatever you have learned over here. So you can go on and do questions on lead code and on other platforms, but what the if you want to get thorough with the concepts, then yes, coding ninjas is a very good place to start. Coming to the questions, I may remove this mask. What will be the output of the following code? Ninja system.out constructor 1. Okay, this is constructor 1 string name, and this is constructor 2. We have name and age, both printing both the things. Ninja long ID. Okay, so indeed, then you are printing just the ID. Constructor 3 is just for the ID. But where is the where is the class? There is the constructor class, and where are these variables? The class is ninja, but where are the data members actually? These are the functions. Well, in the student class, you are creating an object out of the ninja class, and you are giving two things over here, and you are utilizing the second constructor 2, with name and age. That means 26. Height and width we have taken, and we don't have any length, so the volume is going to be 0. And also the code was correct. I didn't only see this uh, this logic, but also I checked for the syntax. What will be the output of the following code? Student class, string name, and roll number. Perfect. Null 50. Oh, I knew it. This, how can a similar question come again? So class is student, both classes are in the same packet and there is no public private thing. So everything is allowed. So you are initializing a so you have name variable and you have integer roll number. You have constructor student and you public and you have public void print and name, and then you are printing roll number. Name and then you are printing roll number. In the new student, what you're doing? Assigning as the roll number. Okay, so this will throw a compilation error, dude. Shashank. Because you have to pass something inside this constructor. You cannot leave it empty. My bad. I must have been more careful. Could have been more careful. What will be the output of the following code? Student, and you have string, and you have int, and you have constructor 1, constructor 2. What you are actually passing is simply this, and you are printing it, and you are printing another constructor and you're passing 150 and xyz. ABC and 101, ABC and 101. Okay, and this is the right answer, but still 150 and xyz, right? And then xyz and 150x, because number 2 xyz and 150, and you're printing name here. Have we decided to do this also? Final keyword, this keyword, and static keyword. I cannot believe that we that we scored 0 in this question. Took all the attempts. Now as my time has elapsed for doing this portion, I'll jump onto this portion quickly, and we have uh, time till 8, so we have 20, 50, 30, 40 minutes in hand to do this question, right? So let's start a timer. 40 minutes to do this question, right? And we will how to edit. Let's take 37 minutes, okay? Because I'll go, because I feel nature's call. कौन आया?
I'm fucked up, I'm black and blue. I'm built for all the abuse. I got secrets that nobody knows. I'm fucked up, I'm black and blue. I'm built for all the abuse. I got secrets that nobody knows.
Your friends, there is some problem with my OBS, and I'm unable. Oh shoot! And I'm unable to turn off anything. Now I can do. Okay, now let's just start the timer, and before that, I'll quickly go and fill my water bottle. Excuse me. $30 is what we have actually, so let's just be true. 30. Okay, so the question is Roman numerals are presented by several symbols: I for 1, V for 5, X for 10, and L 50, and C. Okay, example 2 is written as in Roman numerals, just two ones. They add just two ones added together. Okay. 1 2 is written as 10, which is simply x plus a. The number 27, x and v and I. X and v, x x x x. Yes, x x v and I. So x is 10 and 10, 20, and then 5, and then 27. This will compute to 27. Roman numerals are usually written largest to smallest from left to right. However, the numeral for 4 is not this. Instead, the number 4 is written because the 1 is before the 5. We actually subtracted, making 4. The same principle applies to the number 9, which is written as ix. There are 6 instances where subtraction is used. Subtraction is used. I can be placed before a, and which makes it 4, and I can be placed before x to make it 9. X can be placed before L. Okay. X can be placed before L, which will make it 49 or 40. Okay, which will make it 40. In place of and C, X can be placed before C to make it 10 minus 100 minus is equals to 90. So C can be placed before D. C can be placed before D. C can be placed before D to make it look, that will be to 400, and this will, and okay, given a Roman numeral converted to integer. Wow. And this is lead code, my friends. How to think around it. L is 500, L is 50. 56. No, 50 and 6, 8. 58. So we'll first write the precedence. We will first write the precedence, which is the from largest to smallest. M is 1000, D is 500, C is 100, L is 50, X is 10, V is 5, and I is 1. Right? So we can assign values to each. Right? M is equals to M is equals to 1000. Right? And D is equals to 500. M is equals to 1000. D is equal to 500. And you have C is equals to 100. Right? C equals to 100. Then you have L equals to 50. L equals to 50, and then you have X equals to 10. Then you have V equals to 5, and you have I, which equals to 1. Okay, so you have these values. And you have to calculate the total sum. Okay, so int sum equals to 0. Right? For int I, for every character we'll go to every character inside the string. Right? We'll go to every character inside the string. So we can simply write char ch, and in the string we want to iterate. So okay, this is how we reach every character inside the string. If okay, we are just uh, in case we get z, so that doesn't make any sense for us. So we don't want, we'll think of these edge cases later on, but let's just assume we are only getting the desired characters. Right? Now we have characters in hand. Right? Now let's take an example. Just a second.
I'm fucked up, I'm black and blue, I'm built for all the abuse. I got secrets that nobody knows.
So yes, we want to first. So we are iterating through every character inside the string, and if the current character is smaller than the next character, then we want to subtract that character. That's correct. That's correct. And so there are going to be three. Then how do we have to do this? Okay, 90 minutes is what we are left with. We have to come up with something. We have to come up with something. Okay. Okay, so if current care is smaller than next care, so you subtract the well right current character. And what if then you have to, well, then what do you have to do? If this character is equal to the next character, then you have to count or simply add it inside some. Okay, and another case is going to be current care is not equal to next care, and not equal to next care के अंदर ये वाली situations आएंगी, right? ठीक है, या तो ये होगा या फिर कंट्रोल और नीचे। ठीक है, या तो फिर आपका क्या होगा, या फिर करंट कैरेक्टर बड़ा होगा इस वाले से। Okay, so this is what we can think of, and we are iterating to every character. Now how do we decide what character is it, and how then we should make it work? If character is equals to m, then m then we start using the value of m. Well, this can happen with the use of a hash map. Yes, I can. Yes, definitely use a hash map here. And I can use a hash hash map. Can I use a hash map? Now what to do? I use a hash map because it helps us store values like m is 1000. Then we can use each. The only thing that I'm not able to think around is that I have to make a quick call. Kindly.
I'm fucked up, I'm black and blue. I'm built for all the abuse. I got secrets that nobody knows. I'm fucked up,
Okay, I've understood the whole thing. Okay, I'll just code accordingly. Okay, so first we are playing around with every character. Okay, so the problem remains the same. If m is there, right? By m, we want to use 1000. Let's just use the hash map. Okay, let's create a hash map. Oh, we can create our own data structure and we can use that. But let's just keep it simple and use a hash map. Can we write things over here? Okay, put and get. Put and get are the ones that we want to use. Oops. Okay, and you have for that we have to string. Okay, yes, I know we have to do this. So two things. Let's just utilize the time that we have. Call. So it's just time. So in the time we are not able to solve this question. Okay. But I like this question and we'll continue doing this question tomorrow. Okay. Are we satisfied with what we did yesterday, today? Yes, we had two sessions of streaming. We have done two sessions of streaming today. In both the sessions, we did DS. We studied OOPS and we tried to solve questions. In this instance, we weren't able to complete the question in the given time, but because of the time constraints, we might want to stop now. Hello. So this is it for the day, and we'll come back to this question tomorrow. We'll we'll try to put in good amount of time and actually try to do this question tomorrow, okay? And reach the optimal solution for this particular problem. I know that what we are trying to do as of now might or might not be the optimal solution, or it can be that it will uh, not be close enough to the optimal solution, but at least we reached somewhere and we thought of a few things today, right? And we are here to raise our bar every day, and let's just continue tomorrow. Thank you.